Yes, I. Greetings again, now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You don't know if I try to teach and preach to the little ghetto youth, them, the bad man, them, the gangster, them, kill them. So, I say, end of the day, we don't condemn them. You know, see it, them are the future, same way, you know, see it. If I can there for talk till now, enough of them youth there. Enough of them youth, they have the potential and the ability there till now, too. You know, see it. Enough of them are the problem, you know. And the youth, them are the problem. The youth, them are just survive. You see what I say? No matter how wicked, how much people you see them kill or go out with themselves. A survivor. You know, see it, because what you find some most of them are do? Either a kill for make a money or a kill for make a money. You understand me? They either do it as a, let me see, assassinator, sin, or them do it for proof to the man who have the money, say, them loyal to him. You understand what I say? But and them are the problem. Nah, the man them with the money and the problem. You know who are the problem? The man them with the brains. You know, see, the man them with the brains will take the lies and the bribe and now set no standard. Now put on no. Yeah, no standard by which for profile. You understand what I say? It's like the highest bidder nowadays. Who pay the most money. I fit him concept go forward. You understand? I film concept we use moving forward, because at the end of the day, if it's like if him stop feed, are dead for hungry. You know, see, diminish your own power, diminish your own influence and own ability by doing so, because you not take no position in the negotiation. No, make a boy know so watch a man. Them thing are principle and them thing they are a folly. We not gonna do them thing there. You know, see, and there so we have a saw. You know, see, the man them not do them thing there no more. You know, see, I can remember back in the day when, like me I say, the man them the gangster on the ground control the man them we have money. Them dictate to the man them we have money, or else the man them we have money go uptown, stay away. You don't come try integrate or congregate amongst I and I, because if you not fit the profile, the gap, if you understand, we set the standard, we set the profile, you have to just fall in line and work with it. You know, see, I say, if I find some man with some nefarious intent or some man with some nefarious attitude, characteristics and things like that, couldn't blend in or amongst I and I certain way. You know, see, because at the end of the day, long before them even reach I and I presence, them say the principle is not conducive to fit them principle. You understand what I say? So a guy stay away and keep him things or whatever he want to have to himself. You know, see, nowadays it's different. Because even nowadays, you find say the man them got jail, prison, whatever. Yes, some people are call it Belarus. You know, see, you know what? No, Belarus, you know. I saw it stay from morning, from day that. So the thing about ghetto youth or Jamaican, anywhere you go in the world, because I got English prison, got Jamaican prison, me the day at GP. Saying, you find say, human being make the best of them situation that them have. You understand? The best of what available to them, and that human being make the best of them. I'm tell you, say, there's a disaster right now in Nike store and the whole of them store and top brand clothes and them things that stop selling. Nobody know, them things that not stop make you get girl. Them things that not stop make you be, well, it might stop some man from be the it or whatever, because it now clothes again, because enough man a name a clothes bad boy from like, long Harry Toddler them sing about Harry Toddler. Long them man they sing about that clothes bad boy. Clothes make them a go on so. And now the man them take it up when the man them want them long time and say, close badness now do it, close badness now gonna wait. You know see, usually a man prove himself. You know see, or like me I say, if a man a come in the system with him money, him come play him position, him come hold him position, him not come choose a position, him come hold the position where him get. You know see, regardless of who him is or how much money him have. You know see, nowadays, like I said before, the man them if you have a change and if you can spend a money or something like buy 2 jeans, you're done. You get what I say? Them things that work and them things that's why so much youth are dead. Because you see, It's the man them what you preempt. Alright, imagine strategies for moving forward. The man didn't have no experience in the business in the game whatsoever. You understand what I say? And then again, because of money I do it, there was no emotional connection. Like for instance, grow them youth from them youth small, me know them youth mother, me know them youth father, whatever. When they're not dead, that man then a response to there's no connection other than the money I spend. And when they're not dead, I less money for him spend. So think about it. What sort of care or concern can the man they have for Uno other than the last burial money when him bury Uno and eat that? Yeah, not for spend no more upon you. That eat that they gone. You know see, I mean take a start. Yeah, more soldier than all him, cause all him gonna go do a fuck two body and get some money and come back and buy, you know, and go and dead for him and all them could think that. You know, see, cause men do various things to get money and all that foreign, you know, you're surprised to see how some boy, you wanna see, come in and all and move certain way. You're surprised to see all the things that them do. For reach them there now, for have all that change. You see, most Jamaican not take picture of Brixton. In a Brixton market, send come to Jamaica, them got crying. Go take a picture which is predominantly white and more tidy-ish and them thing that and Brixton. Brixton have too much immigrant and foreign and you hear be a patois talk like you think of Jamaica you there. Our own Jamaican people, them no bother with them thing there. Them no bother take them no show up them thing about foreign. Them try to show it up like so well then. Everything is a better rose and pot of gold type of thing. You see, enough of them to make people know how them a struggle boy, yeah. Them never take a picture in them working clothes where them go work and I come back home because them look like tramp. You see, you can't afford for just like so well in a dance, you go every day, you go work, boy. And that's how it work. I want the wickedest place in the world is to survive and save a thing. It's enough Jamaican where you see there Jamaica come a foreigner or whatever. England, enough of them come learn for save and put on something. You see, because in Jamaica, it more loose. You understand? It more, you have, I'm going to say less responsibility, but less consequential if you don't have certain bucket if put on. You get what I say? But boy, I understand so kind of look out there and see no fruit on the tree. I've never seen a fruit tree. I say apple tree boy, yes. All on the roadside boy, worm apple them there. I be a worm in them. Nobody can name them a horse, name them there. You see it? Literally never see a fruit tree where you can switch up and pick something off and eat. I not say them not have them. But we know Jamaica, everywhere you look you see one. Jamaica is a lot smaller, yes. But if Jamaica is big like this, why wouldn't it be the same? Big and full of fruit, same way. You see, anyway, that's another point. Point is, youth and youth, balance. What a moral standard. Because at the end of the day, youth, I tell you, if you live couple more years, I could have you be the rich man where you now come press the youth button for God enough stupidness. But rather encourage the youth them. Like Skengdan. You know see it. We never hear Skengdan try push the youth or influence the youth for God enough stupidness yet, you know. No. Even Danai. No disrespect to Danai. Danai have them bad dirty ways them. But you never hear them man the name or see them man the profile being well. Them agenda, them aims, them do them things that them do them secretly, privately. You know see it? And then again, the youth them usually have them little vibes that go on because them align with certain man and certain type of people and things like that. Then you find say the loyalty still maintains, loyalty still remain, regardless. You know see it? So I say you find say the man that we all seem involved or appear to be involved in a people things. You know see it? And that quiet. Even the man where my help can't call him name. If my help a man buy some satire, I buy some gun, whatever. You know, see it. But them youth are a different thing. You know, see it. As them youth are make a money. And as somebody violate them. Them no look, them youth are not think again and say, wait till me hold him. See? Because enough man I know, you know. Black Adouche, Willie Agat, and Big Bunny. Black Adouche and Willie Agat. No, black me sure say Black Adouche do us $2 million when him dead, you know. Yeah, $2 million, yeah, at least $2 million. Him dead with that for Dodos. How a man from jungle, a man from garden, $2 million, eh? And a place that always a war. You know see it? And this is not a Nancy story. You know see it? So you careful of who not make pressing a button and leading the tune with destruction. Cause some boy ass nasty. You know see, some boy it's the things that when them do for have for them when them lose all connection with God and morality all to complete. So all them want to do is destroy any moral fabric will exist. Anything them want to destroy anybody, you know, so you're supposed to be a nasty, dirty, corrupt sinner like them tough. You know, see, everybody sin. Sin are the same. You know, see, but when you don't know your sin, the burden and the blame is upon the man who hide it from you. You know, see, when you run with some boy from around them and start progress and generate some energy, some positive energy. Personal development are the key, man. More blessed. Share, like, and subscribe in a John name. You know, see, thumbs up and you don't know. Rastafari.